Pola, James Irving here from Bhutan and beyond. Quick update for you on COVID-19 situation as at 6 October 21. Firstly, we're encouraging everyone who's considering travelling to Bhutan, India or Nepal in the first half of 2022 to please register with us via bhutan.com.au/contact page, and we'll keep you fully up to date in the coming weeks and months and give you the confidence you need to make air bookings and so forth. Secondly, our new travel app Sherpa is adding extra degree of confidence to travellers. Basically, we take you a full itinerary, and Sherpa tells us what COVID-19 regulations, restrictions, documentation, etc. is required along each step of the way. We send that to you in the form of a web link. Each time you open that web link, it will automatically update itself to the current regulations on hand. So that's terrific news as well. We're developing some exciting new product here at the moment at Bhutan and beyond. Our 2022 Royal Enfield Himalaya motorcycle tours, both private and group, will be released in the next month. And also we're in the process of developing some very exciting walking tours through Bhutan, which we think will be a really big hit. Fantastic cultural experience, as well as keeping you nice and fit. And finally, just a reminder once again, please do register with us on bhutan.com.au and we'll keep you up to speed if you're considering a visit to that region in the next 6 months or so. Thanks very much, and Tashi Dali.